Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of iDeviceGuide. This is Punit Khatri back with another video. So guys, today we are going to talk about the latest iOS update, that is iOS 13.2.2. So if you are currently running your iPhone on iOS 13.2, then you would have noticed some problems while functioning of the iPhone, such as you losing network while you're talking, or all of a sudden the mobile data isn't functioning properly, or the background applications aren't functioning properly. They're refresh or they restart every single time you launch them again from the multitasking application. The multitasking isn't properly functioning, and a lot more problems that have been rolled out along with iOS 13.2. But in order to fix these problems or fix all of these problems, Apple came out with the latest update, that's iOS 13.2.2. So guys, iOS 13.2.2 update comes out around for like 570 MB. So this is an iPhone XR, so update is the size. So approximately for your iPhone as well, it will be ranging in range of 500 megabytes. So this update has a lot of bug fixations. So let's just go ahead and take a look at that. So over here, as you can see, it says fixing the issue that could cause applications to quit unexpectedly when running in the background. So what I told you about the problem wherein you are unable to multitask applications, you are unable to start from where you left a particular application when you open it from the multitasking background. Again, resolving an issue when iPhone may temporarily lose mobile signals after a call. So just after you cut a call, that mobile signals are getting lost, or the iPhone is facing trouble in order to get the proper range of signals. Addressing an issue where mobile data may temporarily not be available. So your mobile data isn't working properly, or it is just unavailable, or it just shows you searching over here in the status bar wherein your network should be properly functioning along with proper functioning of your mobile data as well. So apart from that as well guys, there are 2-3 other major updates as well, but let's talk about the major update that is in the functioning of the iPhone. So if also you are facing these problems wherein you are unable to go ahead and function your iPhone properly, the background applications aren't working properly, so you might be drafting a task, or you might be drafting an important email, you might be drafting a post, but right after when you go ahead and again launch that application from your multitasking background, that data is just lost, and either it's also not saved in the background. So that is a problem where you could really get angry on your iPhone, and I want to help you guys to resolve that problem. And guys, if you wish to go ahead and resolve that problem, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on settings, scroll down, tap over general, software updates, and go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS 13.2.2. But guys, if you are running on the iOS 13.3 beta version, then your device should not have any such problems, because the bug has already been fixed, and iOS 13.3 is the later version or the upcoming version of iOS. So that issue has already been fixed and you should not be facing such problems. In case you are facing such problems, then definitely you need to go ahead and reinstall the beta profile, reinstall the beta version, and your problem should also get fixed. So guys, that's about it for this video. This was a quick video about iOS 13.2.2. You should definitely go ahead and update it right now. It is very important update. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions or any problems with your iOS devices, feel free to comment down below or get in touch with me. I'll be really happy to help you guys resolve the problems. And also do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you guys enjoyed this video. Also guys, do not forget to subscribe. The subscribe icon is right there, so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified about the same. And that's about it. I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Peace out.